now that we have our clips and everything over here in our project window, instead I double clicked on this, it showed up here. Now we can actually begin the process of editing. To trim uh, clips down, however you need to do that, you can use the scrubber head here and simply click and drag across. Oop, there it goes. And so you can make adjustments. So you can pick, a particular part of this. If you just need to crop off the beginning and the end, like there's some area you don't need. Again, you set your in and your out point. So we'll simply select an in point there, and then we'll come over here, and we'll put the scrubber where we need it. And again, you can use the arrows on the keyboard, as you can see, to adjust frame by frame. And then you can set yourself an out point. And if you come down here, there is an icon that lets you play the in to out, so that way you can actually play the file, watch it, make sure it's got what you want, and everything is there. If it is, then you simply click and drag, and we'll drop this down here on the timeline. You want all of your clips, pretty much everything you're going to be working on will be in the video 1, audio 1 on the timeline. The video 2, if you want to do an overlay with a title, you would put that in video 2. If you want to do sound in addition to what was in the clip, like musical interlude or something like that, you would put that in the audio 2 track, and that way you can control it. You also have the ability to increase the size. So if we come down here and we drag this here left and right, we can make the file size or the image appear larger so we can see what we have regarding the clip. So we went ahead and put that little piece in there, and then if we need to, we can come here, we'll double click on this one, and we'll click and drag. And again, you can set these in and out points however you need. You can grab multiple in and out points from the same clip, so we'll drop that down there, and then let's say we'll drag this over here, and we'll set a point here, and then we'll set another point here, and we'll click and drag that down there. Again, these are not detrimental edits to the original clip. It's still there in its entirety, so you don't have to worry about that. And let's go ahead and just come down here, make this a little smaller. And this is your program window. If you actually click the play button here, it will play the audio file, the file down here in your timeline. So that will actually play for you. You can grab the scrubber here, you can drag across, which takes it well beyond where we were there, come back here. So you can adjust. So as you can see, we have a couple of clips put together. Did some trimming, editing out here just to put them down here, and that's just kind of how we're going to work with the video clips. And you'll do the similar thing to your clips. And the nice thing is, if there's one here that you decide you don't want, you can simply select it and you can click on delete, and it will delete that particular clip. So it'll be gone from your timeline. It will not be gone from your actual project over here.